was watching this video and I got to understand that we really need to go back and bring God in our schools. Most of the schools, they don't have this thing of assemble anymore. They don't assemble students to pray in the morning and all those kind of things, because there's this thing with everyone has a religion. Even before that, we had our own religions, but we used to pray together, because I don't think there's any religion that I've ever had in South Africa that discredit the fact that God exists. Even I'm a Muslim, they don't say God doesn't exist. They refer to him as Allah. So we really need to go back to this thing, guys, of bringing God back in our schools. Like, honestly speaking, we need to bring back God in our schools, because now maybe that's the reason why they are demonic possessed, the students there, these kids there in the schools. Maybe that's the reason why they're demonic possessed. You will find them fighting teachers, insulting teachers, stabbing teachers, threatening teachers. It's because God has left our schools. God has left our schools. I remember in my time, I used to preach an assembly. I remember those days when I used to preach an assembly. Shumael, we used to stand for the gospel. There was a time where they wanted to close ESCO. I don't know, it's because we spuma late, and then because we called someone who completed, and he came and preached and he prayed for people, and they were angry there. We stood in defense of that. We fought for the SCO to remain, even though it might have been cancelled after we left, but we stood for it. We stood in defense of the gospel of Christ in the school. And because of how bold we were, the SCO remained up until we left there. We don't know what's happening now, because COVID started after we left, and then they might have closed it because of COVID. But what I'm trying to say is that we really need to bring back God in our schools. We need to bring back God in our schools. Like, honestly speaking, our schools are very toxic. Teachers now are afraid of learners. Some teachers, they can't even reprimand some of the kids in class, because they know very well, like, honestly speaking, we really need to go back and bring God in schools. I don't know what your take on